Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do another wash and go, and I'm going to use this double buttercream by As I Am, and then I'm going to use the Eco Style gel in the black castor and flaxseed oil. So I'm also going to use a Denman brush, and this is the first time I have done a wash and go using a Denman brush, so I just wanted to see how my curls would end up looking using this brush because everyone seems to use it, and I just wanted to try it out. So I'm just putting the double buttercream on my hair on the first section, and I'm sectioning it from bottom to top. I really like this double buttercream because it kind of acts as your sealant as well as a moisturizer, and I really love this Eco Style gel as well. It's the only one I've ever tried, and it's really moisturizing for a gel and just leaves your hair feeling really soft. So this is what I'm using as the styler. And with both products, I'm kind of just raking them through my strands, making sure to get every piece of hair so that there's no frizz, because for this look, I want it to be completely frizz-free. And when you're using the Denman brush, I have seen other people doing this. This is my first time doing it myself, but apparently the trick is to just use it very slowly on small sections of hair and just slowly pull it through the strands, and then you'll be left with some really tight, defined looking curls. The only problem I did find with using the Denman brush was that it did leave your hair being really shrunken afterwards. So although you get the nice tight curls and absolutely no frizz, you will be left with a lot of shrinkage at the end. But you can fight that by picking it out or by using a blow dryer on the roots if you don't mind using heat on your hair. Another thing to remember is that you should style your hair the way you want it to fall at the end, because this look will actually leave your hair feeling quite stiff, so you won't be able to really manipulate it much afterwards. It's better if you just style it the way you want to fall. So I've done a side parting and then leave it to dry. So this is my hair with all the styling done, and I'm just going to leave it to dry for about maybe 2 or 3 hours. So this is my hair completely dry, and as I said, it does feel a little bit stiff and crunchy, but I think that's just because of the gel and the Denman brush together, because the Denman brush really does make sure that you coat every single strand, which can leave it feeling a little bit stiff, but I don't mind it for this look. And I just put some oil on my fingers before I started manipulating my hair, but I'm just pulling apart a really big curl there at the front, and then I'm using my pick to pick it out just a little bit to give it a bit more volume. So this is my hair finished, all picked out, and the completed style. It does have a little bit of movement, as you can see, but obviously this is just day one, and over the days it will get more and more volume and more movement to it. But as you can see, it's super defined, and that is what this look is all about. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!